Hey guys, so I just want to show you real quick my makeshift enclosure for my S1 Pro. Currently, I'm printing ABS for the first time. I had some pretty good experience so far. This is a chin mount for my helmet, but I just want to show you real quick. This is basically just the clear plastic that you put on tables to protect them, and it's just taped from the top, held on with some neodymium magnets there on the bottom with some super glue. It's pretty cool because you can kind of make this if you have one of these shelves. You can just cut them to size and then just tape them on top and put some magnets on the bottom. It's really cool because you can just do this and it'll stick up there in case you're printing something like PLA or if you want to get in there. Since it is ABS, I don't have a way to vent this out, so I put a little a little air purifier to kind of help with the scent. The enclosure does kind of keep the scent inside though, so I haven't had like a problem with it. Plus, it's keeping a lot of the heat inside. That goes up to like 29, close to 30 degrees Celsius. And I also have my dryer box there as well. But yeah, that's pretty good. Just want to show you guys that you guys can make an enclosure for really cheap. This probably wouldn't cost you more than maybe $10 and some magnets. But yeah, if we're having a hard time printing something like PETG or ABS, definitely give this a try if you have one of these shelves. Bye.